Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get cooking. So today in celebration of Taco Tuesday, we're gonna be making some tacos with grilled, or you can make it fried catfish. And I have my tortillas here, corn tortilla. I have my fried catfish here. I hope you've watched the video for fried catfish. I'm just gonna break this up and layer my tortilla. Just break that all up. And then next thing, you just start to put whatever toppings you would like for your tacos. So I have some coleslaw here. Put that in there. And then you can add some avocado. And then get some sour cream and put it in there. You can now top it up with some cilantro. And there you have it. Fish taco is ready.